The country recovers from the deadly second wave of coronavirus. There are at least 3 states now, Maharashtra, Kerala and Madhya Pradesh, that are reporting cases of a further mutated version of the Delta variant called the Delta Plus variant. Now, as per the government, the Delta Plus variant has been found in genome sequence samples from Ratnagiri and Jalgaon districts in Maharashtra, Palakkad in Kerala and Bhopal and Shivpuri districts of Madhya Pradesh. Maharashtra, in fact, has reported 21 cases of the Delta Plus after genome sequencing of 100 samples from each district. Let's go right across to Sukirti joining us with the very latest. Sukirti, the Delta Plus variant, according to the government, is now a variant of concern. It went from variant of interest to variant of concern in a very short span of time.
Well, yes, Divya, there seems to have been some either miscommunication or confusion. It is hard for us to say at this point, but definitely in the 4:30 p.m. press conference that was held by the Union Health Ministry, there the Health Secretary had very clearly said that it is only a variant of interest and not of concern. But within a few hours, when the Health Ministry's press release came out, it said that it is a variant of concern very clearly, and it was then emphasized multiple times from the ministry that it is variant of concern. We are supposed to stick to that term. And as far as the advisories are concerned, the 3 states, Maharashtra, Kerala and Madhya Pradesh, have been sent advisories by the centre to take measures to control the spread of this variant. Now, the other thing the Union Health Secretary had said that irrespective of what variant it is, the public health measures to it remain the same. Testing, tracking and treating, that is the same measure that all of these states will also have to take, but they will have to be more stringent. They will have to be very vigilant about where these Delta Plus variants are being found, to send all these genome sequencing samples to the INSACOG laboratories, to the laboratories that are carrying out these processes. So all those samples should be sent in time. Their containment measures should be stronger, and their statement also talks about how from the data so far it seems that Delta Plus variant seems to have increased transmissibility, and it has a much stronger binding to receptors of the lung cells. So there are certain traits of the Delta Plus variant that have also been mentioned by the Union Health Ministry at this point of time. So over 22 cases as per the Union Health Ministry, and all 3 states asked to keep a close watch.
Thanks, Sukirti, for joining us for the very latest. We're going to continue to keep a close watch on all of those developments. Remember, this Delta Plus variant is now emerging as a cause of concern as far as India is concerned. Whether or not the vaccine will be as effective against this variant is a big question that remains to be answered. Remember, Dr. Anthony Fauci has called the Delta variant now a threat to the US's global response as well. Now, as the country recovers, remember there are 3 states which have emerged as a cause of concern as far as Delta Plus is concerned: Maharashtra, Kerala and Madhya Pradesh. Let's get you an update from Kerala. Sneha joins us with the very latest. Sneha, what more can you tell us about the prevalence of the Delta variant in Kerala and how is the government looking at it?
Interestingly, the Chief Minister of Kerala has confirmed that there have been 3 such cases which have been detected in Kerala. But Chief Minister of Kerala has also mentioned that according to the studies that have been done till now, the Delta Plus variant does not seem to pose a threat to a possible third wave or intensify a third wave. That's what the Chief Minister told during the press briefing on Tuesday. And he has said there are only 3 cases which have been detected in Kerala. 2 cases are in Palakkad and 1 in Pathanamthitta. One of the cases involves even a minor child being infected. So this is the update on Kerala. Of course, there will be close scrutiny and even more testings will be done, is what officials are telling us. But as of now, 3 such Delta Plus cases have been confirmed in the state.
Right, Sneha, appreciate you for joining us for the very latest. So that's the update that is coming in from Kerala at the moment.